Today we are doing the Sunny Swim from Retro Sparkle Designs. You are going to need one front, one back, one neckband, 2 ruffles cut on fold or 4 of them if they're not cut on fold, and 2 of the leg bands, and 2 of your side panels. First, put your front and back pieces right sides together, clip and sew. For your ruffle piece, put them right sides together, serge down the edge, and then gather. Then you're going to hem the arm scythe piece. Then open up your suit, and from one side to the next, go ahead and attach that ruffle onto the piece. Then add your side panel and sandwich them between there, right sides together, and serge both sides. Put your suit right sides together and serge down the side panel piece on both sides. And then attach your crotch piece. Then for your leg bands and your neck band, you're going to fold it together and then fold it again and serge the edges. Go ahead and quarter your bands and place them in the legs on both sides and your neck, and there is your finished Sunny Swim. Follow us along on Facebook and here on YouTube for more sew-alongs. We'll see you next time. Bye.